Today's presentation topics: Bangladesh in Bloom, exploring the 6 seasons, presented by Home Academy. The first season started mid-April to mid-June, named summer. Hot and dry, it's called season of fruits because mangoes and jackfruits ripen during this time. This time people adapt to the extreme heat with light clothing and traditional drinks like sharbat. Mid-June started monsoon, also called a rainy season. Heavy rainfall dominates, filling rivers and ponds, making it the wettest season. Agriculture flourishes, especially paddy, due to ample water. Monsoon festivals celebrate the life-giving rain despite occasional floods. Autumn, which is start mid-August to mid-October. The rain clears and the skies are bright blue with fluffy clouds, mild temperatures with a sense of renewal and preparation for harvest. Festivals like Durga Puja are celebrated during this season, symbolizing victory and joy. Late autumn start mid-October to mid-December. The transition season, when crops like rice are harvested, the landscape turns golden as the paddy ripens. This season is closely tied to Nabanno, a festival celebrating the new harvest. Winter start mid-December. Cold and dry, especially in northern Bangladesh, where temperature can dip below around 10 degrees centigrade. Mustard fields bloom with vibrant yellow flowers, and people gather around fires for warmth. Popular festivals include Posh Mela, celebrating traditional rural life. Spring, mid-February to mid-April. The most colorful season, as flowers bloom and temperatures warm, is known as King of Season. This time is vibrant with nature, renewal and cultural festivities. Poila Falgun marks the beginning of spring with cultural celebrations, colorful clothes and floral decorations. This is a simple presentation of 6 season Bangladesh. Hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.